Hey guys, how are you doing? So today I'm going to show you how to get yuzu for iOS and Android. So this is a really cool emulator. You can play Switch games, so that's the main benefit. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So as you can see all the games right here, and we go in the settings. So I'm going to show you guys how to get it. So let's get into the video. So first thing we're going to do, go to browser, type in yuzu. So let me just type it in. So let's type in tweakmod.com. So now we're on the website, guys. Type in yuzu, press install, and before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. You just need to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% free, guys, from the official app store. So let's just wait for this to load, as you can see. So it shouldn't take that long. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up. So let's just give it a second for this to load. We should be all set, guys. So I'm just going to wait for it to load up, as you can see, guys. All right, so we should be good to go, guys. So it's loading right now. And it's just gonna say I'm missing files and stuff. So you just want to download 2 apps. So as you can see, we got all these apps. So like Underdog Fantasy says download for 30 seconds, so I could do that. I could do Lucky Match, which says reach level 11. I could do Family Island, which says reach level 11. It's a game. So you just want to do 2 of them, guys. Then you'll have yuzu on your phone. So I'm going to see you guys later. But yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel because this actually works. And it's really cool, guys. So I hope you enjoyed the video. But definitely try it out for yourself because this is super cool, guys. And it's totally updated and everything. So you guys can enjoy it right away. So definitely tell your friends and everything because this is super insane, guys. And it's really insane. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. And yeah, peace out, bros. This is so cool.